Hi everyone. Let me introduce the CEO Amy. Currently she is going through difficult times. Because her business not progressing properly, the company challenges deficiencies in transforming the financial data, KPI results, policies and procedures, and keeping the team knowledge up to date. So the team suggests calling Managementa to be on the right track. Amy meets us right away. And now she is so excited to work with us. Managementa provides many creative and innovative services in consultation field, such as finance and accounting consulting services, initiating and developing all corporate policies and SOP, preparing organizational plan, business valuation, feasibility study, planning and budgeting, governance, risk and compliance, design effective job description for all positions, prepare competitive salary scale and incentive programs, establish and review company bylaw, Managementa concern in digital transformation. For example, now you can digitalize your company's accounting process in a smart way, turning the usual operation process or procedures into creative animation video to save time and effort, developing your company's website to be valuable and attractive. We believe in human capability and competencies, so we proudly provide technical training in finance and HR majority that help you to get professional certificates and many other trainings to develop your behavioral skills. We here to save your time and your money by outsourcing the accounting process, the payroll process, so just handle it to Managementa. Look at Amy and the team now, after partnering with us. They look so happy. The employees are satisfied. The company digitalized and paperless. The team learned and developed by our training. And now they have the time to focus on their goals. Give us a call to help you reaching your achievements and to be pro in your industry. Check our website and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and don't miss the taste of success. Your interest is our concern.